In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply VLOOKUP in Excel using Power Automate Desktop. This powerful combination allows you to automate tasks and perform dynamic data lookups seamlessly, saving both time and effort in data management. Whether you're new to this or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide is designed to lead you through the process with ease and clarity. First things first. Let's begin by launching Excel. This is done using the Launch Excel action in Power Automate Desktop. This action is crucial as it opens your Excel workbook, making it accessible for automation tasks. Ensure that the workbook you intend to work with is specified correctly within this action. Having your workbook open and visible is essential because it lays the foundation for the subsequent steps. Next, we need to set the active worksheet. This involves using the Set Active Worksheet action within Power Automate Desktop. Think of this as directing the focus to the particular sheet where you want to apply the VLOOKUP function. It's like preparing the canvas for a painting. It's essential to have the right sheet selected so that all subsequent formulas and data manipulations occur exactly where you intend them to. Now that we have our worksheet in focus, it's time to write the VLOOKUP formula. For this, we use the Write to Excel worksheet action. This step requires precision and attention to detail. The goal here is to insert the VLOOKUP formula into a specific cell of your choice. Consider this action as inputting a dynamic formula that searches and returns data based on a match criterion. Make sure to tailor your VLOOKUP formula correctly by specifying the lookup value, the range containing your data, the column number from which the data should be returned, and finally, the match type. The accuracy of this formula is vital because it determines the efficiency and reliability of the results you will achieve. Throughout this process, pay attention to the details such as the correct naming of sheets and accurate input of formula parameters. This attention to detail can't be overstated, as errors here could lead to unforeseen results. Remember that practice makes perfect. Running these actions a couple of times will make the process more intuitive. Utilizing Power Automate Desktop to apply VLOOKUP in Excel not only enhances your productivity, but also empowers you to handle complex data tasks effortlessly. This combination offers a robust solution for those looking to streamline their Excel operations. I hope you find these instructions helpful and that they inspire you to explore further automation possibilities. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the use of VLOOKUP with Power Automate Desktop. Happy automating!